Recorded Books presents a Lone Star audio production of The Sounds of Rescue, The Signs of Hope by Robert Flynn. This unabridged recording is narrated by Scott Shina. Lone Star Audio is a celebration of Texas authors and the spirit of the American West. This book is copyrighted 1970 and 1989 by Robert Flynn. This recording is copyrighted 2004 by Recorded Books, producer and publisher of Lone Star Audio. Greg Wallace, a young World War II pilot from Texas, is stranded on a Pacific island after his plane is shot down. Well-trained and basically a decent man, he settles in to wait for rescue in a fashion that will do his military training credit. But as time moves inexorably forward, it becomes increasingly obvious to Greg that rescue is but a dream. And now, the sounds of rescue, the signs of hope.
1. Don't panic. Rely on training. 2. Think things out. 3. Set definite goals. 4. Enumerate chances. Must write instructions down before I forget them. Things I was taught. My best hope now. I am alive. On land. Lying under thick, tangled shade. Maximum concealment. Plane was hit while attacking Jap carrier. Ducked into clouds to avoid Jap fighter cover. Disoriented. Lost bearings. Engine failed. Got out okay. I'm alive. Think things out. I was in the water. My chute barely opened, and I was in the water. Tangled in parachute. May West around neck. Drowning. Felt something grab me. Shark. Kicked at it, and arms pulled me free of the chute. Pulled me into the air where I could breathe. Passed out after that. But I am on land, under concealment. He brought me fruit and water. Definite goals. 1. Avoid capture. 2. Regain strength. 3. Persuade rescuer to guide me to Allied lines. 4. Watch for rescue. Rescap will be out looking for me. Must let them know I am alive. 5. Gather information for Navy intelligence. Chances. 1. I am alive with only minor cuts and bruises. 2. Am on land. 3. Rescap will be making
Sample complete. Ready to continue?